Alright, so today we'll be doing something in processing. Right now my idea is just having some kind of mouse following with some delay. I don't know. Some kind, some type of ball following the mouse with some delay. We can maybe add particles around it. Something like this, right? So let's start with this. It's been a while since I've worked with processing, so hear me out. I'm going to use references for a couple of stuff, but it's pretty much the same thing as P5, so it should be pretty straightforward. All right, so let's kick it off. I'm gonna need some. I'm gonna need like. Let's do a new file. Let's call this class. I don't know. Ball, right? All right, cool. Uh, Whenever I create this, will be the ball that will follow the mouse. So this we can start it at 0, 0, so it doesn't matter. Let's maybe set a color, right? Color C. Should be fine. Okay. Alright. Well, let's do public. It doesn't matter. Public color C. And let's by default set it to, I don't know, color. And it's going to be something like, for right now, let's just do some type of reddish team ball. I don't know. And wait, I need to stop going there. Okay, cool. It's going to have a position as well. Public color C. What's the issue here? Function color expected parameter int. Okay, well, I don't know. Let's do something like this. 130. And I don't know. 100. There we go. That should be fine. Okay, and it needs also position, right? It's what, p vector, I believe. Yeah. Okay, and let's just call this pause, right? Equal new p vector 0, 0. There we go. Okay, cool. Save. And okay, let's add a function to show the ball. Show. It's going to be void. Awesome. We're basically just going to do a circle at translate to this dot pos dot x and this dot pos dot y. I could just set the circle center at that position. I think I'm going, yeah, I mean, sure, it doesn't really matter, but I'll do it like this. No, wait, let me copy this first. There we go. Now, we'll need some circumference, diameter. Let's call this int d. Okay, and yeah, sure, we'll pass the diameter there. Public int d. Yeah, sure, it's fine. And okay, cool. Now let's go back here in the draw. Let's just create our ball. Let's call it ball. Sure. Okay. New ball. There we go. Awesome. And we need the color. Uh, let's go into ball. I'm just going to omit. Well, no. Let's do this, and let's just copy this one for right now. Doesn't matter. There we go. And diameter. Let's say 150 for right now. Ball dot show. Okay, let's see now. Okay, great. Let's call ball dot update as well, and we'll pass in the mouse, right? So I'm just not sure what the mouse is. Mouse X, mouse Y. There you go. Awesome. Cool. Let's create the update method in here. Void update. I would guess this would be a float. Let's just make sure. I don't know. Okay, anyway, it's fine. Let's do an int then, if it's not a float. We'll see. X, y, there we go, cool. And let's do this dot pause dot set x, y, save, run, let's see. Great, okay, it's working. Let's draw the background. Let's do it as some type of dark color. Awesome. I will also do no stroke and fill with the color. Yeah, that's working. Cool. Now, I want, let's do array list of the previous position, right? So let's do p vector and call this p mouse. Sure. P mouse, and it's going to be equal to new array list of p vector. Well, I mean, I don't need to pass it. I'm pretty sure. Okay, great. And here, well, let's just do this once. Happened? I never can seem to remember. Oh, I think it's just add, right? Add, yeah, there we go. So new p vector, just so that it has at least one in there. Start at 0, 0, it doesn't matter. And then mouse add new p vector at mouse x, mouse y. Okay, there we go. Now, I mean, it shouldn't have changed. Yep, it's good. And what I'll do is I'll just keep int reviews count. And let's say like 200. What's the method remove pop first? No, pull first, shift pop. Okay, pull first. There we go. Pull first. Okay. pmouse dot call first, and this is going to get called if pmouse dot count size, I think it's size, is greater than previous count. Let's save, let's run this. Poll first is not a function. Delete first. There you go. That's what we want. So array list after removing, but yeah, it doesn't matter. There we go. Remove index. Okay, awesome. Yeah. Remove 0. There we go. Now, yeah. No issues. Okay, cool. And let's sum up. Let's get the average. Sure. So let's do p vector avg for average. Whoa. Let's start this p vector at 0, 0. Cool. What's the issue now? Okay, never used. It's fine. Okay. Let's do a loop. P vector of pmouse. Let's call it mouse maybe. Sure. Yeah, that's it. Sorry, I was avg dot add mouse, and then avg dot div by pmouse dot size. Okay, and then here let's do avg dot x, avg dot y. I guess those are floats. Yeah, it would make sense. Let's just pass a p vector. It doesn't matter. P vector. Let's call it pause as well. It's fine. Okay, great. So now let's just pass the average as is. Okay, let's save. Let's see now. $200 is way too much. Let's do like 50. And we could make it so that there's something weird, right? Let me do like full screen. Well, let's keep size there and just comment it out. Is it capital S? Yeah, okay, there we go. That's better, it's snappier. I guess it's because I put count at 5. Let's do 50 again. I want to see. It's weird. See? Okay. Let's do 10. I want to see what's going to happen here. So 10 is still fine. 20? There's some weird stuff happening after a certain while. Well, this is working okay. Okay, let's keep it at 20 for right now. I'm not exactly sure what's the issue. We can figure it out later on. That's fine. Good. Okay. So, what I'm thinking is we could create some particles going out from that sphere, right? So ball could have some particles inside of it. So this will be past p vector as its position, starting position at least. Well, it's not going to be put anything. There we go. Let's do the copy later on. That's fine. And let's add a drift. P vector drift. How can I do p vector? P vector. Whoa, no. There we go. And I want a random p vector. Random 2D. There you go. Awesome. P vector dot random 2D. Okay, great. P vector dot random 2D. There you go. Cool. What's the issue now? Oh, right. Yeah. There we go. Okay, that's fine. It's also going to have an update function, which is basically just going to add to the position the drift, right? So drift, there we go, cool. Let's add public lifetime equal 0. Int, there we go, let's go down, lifetime plus, there we go. And then we can just add, let's just say like int max lifetime, and let's say like 100. Void show, and let's move this to here. Okay. Show. All right. So we need some colors, right? Let's just go grab some color. There we go. Yep. Start generator. Perfect. Let's add a couple more. Okay. Oh, I cannot generate as much colors. Okay, well, that's fine. Let's just go to palette, no, explorer, and we'll find something, right? This is great. Export palette. Code. Way too much. Nope. let's see, embedded, no, well, I mean, there is the array right here. Sure, that's fine. Let's paste it here, let's go to beginning. Okay. Oh god, I'm having so much difficulty today. Okay, great. Let's do this in here, I believe. No, I think it's just this, right? And then let's go back up. Let's call this string colors. Okay, great. Let's put them all back. Whoa, all back on the same line. Oh, and let's do. And I want to see. Color. No. Oh, I don't even need the quotes. Damn. Okay, great. I mean, value. I mean, it's going to be ints, I guess. I mean, we'll see. I could use search and replace, but let's use it. No. There we go. Find double quotes, replace with nothing, replace all, there you go, awesome, colors, great, cool. So, and those I don't want as int, I want as color, right? Yeah, that makes more sense. Okay, show, fill, based on color dot, Java array length, size, length. I think it's length, but whoa, yeah, I don't care. I just want the length. Okay, just dot length. Okay, great. Color C is equal to colors dot length random, and then let's do colors index floor. There we go. Now fill with C, and then let's do no stroke, let's do let's do this drift dot mold or mag set mag to, I don't know, like 3, and then this dot drift dot mold to by like 0.9 or something, right? Okay, and then we'll need a circle at this dot cos dot x, this dot cos dot y, and radius, let's just say that it's going to be map from map the lifetime that goes from 0 to max max lifetime, max lifetime to from let's say I don't know, let's say like 20 to 3, right? It's fine. Okay, let's see this now in ball. Let's create particles whenever we update. Let's do public array list particles. Let's call it particles. Yeah, I mean, sure. New array list. What's the issue here? Particle does not exist. Oh, yeah. Particle does not. Yeah, for sure. Sure. Array list. Okay. Let's do every time we update. Let's do 4. Let's do int times particle now equal random. Let's do like between 15 and like 65. Okay, cool. I would be less than, sorry, what are we at? 28 minutes. Okay, that's fine. We should be done in like 5 minutes or something ish. I mean, I'm saying this, but it might not actually be true. Yeah, okay. Particle update. Now we need to create new particles, push it in the array. Yeah, okay. Did I put anything on the constructor in here? Yeah, the position. Duh. Okay. Does that add particle? Sure. New. And whoa. There's not copy. Okay, great. And what's the issue now? This dot particle. Yeah, I mean, didn't name it correctly. Particles. Okay, cool. And let's also do let's do it here, right? before we add the new ones. P, yeah, sure. For the particles, let's just call p.update. Awesome. And then let's do basically the same thing, but with show. Save and let's see. I mean, it works. Yeah, okay, it's getting slow. Let me do balls. Yeah, let's do it in here. If, oh wait, can I? It's not going to be efficient, but let's do it as it comes in my head. It's fine. I'll refactor it right after. So I would be I need to basically just remove the particles that have exceeded the lifetime, right? So as long as I is greater than 0, greater or equal to 0, I minus, right? Think so, we'll see. So we're going from the last one and removing them as we see fit. Cool. All right, great. So if let's move this back to particles. It's fine. Boolean dead. If this dot lifetime is greater or equal to this, let's return true, else return false. Okay, great. Let's go there and dot dead. If it is dead, we'll just remove. I think it was. I've used it just over here. Remove. Yeah, it is. So there we go. And I'm iterating through the array to the array list backwards because let's say I were to go and do it ascendingly, right, from 0 to particle dot slice -1, right? Let's say the first one is dead, 0 at index is dead, then I would remove that one. Then whenever I would check the next one, I would actually be deleting the next one, right? Anyway, remove I. Okay, cool. Let's see if this works. Wait, what's the issue now? Whoa. What's the issue here? Oh, can I? Here. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, it's doing it. It's not great. One thing, I don't like the fact that it's just circles. That's because I set the magnitude. I want, instead of setting the magnitude, let's multiply it. Mult by 3. Yeah, that's fine. Why is it still doing this? Oh yeah, and also the color, I don't want it to change every time, just want to set it the first time, right? Alright, so we fixed the color stuff, but I mean, yeah, there's still the issue. So ball, first thing first, I want to draw the circle before drawing the yeah, I want to draw the particles before drawing the circle. Okay, great. This thing needs to go after. Okay. Yeah, okay, it's doing stuff. That's good. I don't like the fact that it's kind of just circles. Let me go over here. Let me create it manually, the randomness. I don't know what's going on in random TD, so. Oh, and let's do random mult as well. Let's do from like 1 to, I don't know, 6. Let's go crazy. Let's do even 7. I don't care. And here, let's do a new. And let's do random. What's the issue now? Oh, okay. Random between 0 and 1. Random between 0 and 1 again. Wait, there we go. Now there are more, just kind of cool. I think they're going out, like they're slowing down way too fast. Let's fix this. So this was over here, right? So let's do 99. Oh yeah, one thing. Not from 0. -1 to 1. -1 to 1. And let's also add some velocity, right? No, that's fine. Let's just do this for right now. Yeah, it's a lot better. Yeah, it's cool. It's a bit much, I would say. Yeah, let's do maybe like, I don't know, ball. Let's do like, let's do like between 5 and 15. That would, I believe, make more sense, right? Yeah. And maybe 7 was a bit too much, right? Maybe like 5 should be good enough for what we want. That's good. Cool with me. Yeah, there we go. We're pretty much done. One thing I want to do is maybe change this to like 85 or something, so the diameter is a bit smaller, right? There you go. And you could do like pretty much whatever you want. You could add like a stroke. I think I'm just going to show you. You could add like stroke, maybe like a white stroke on there, right? Different effect, different stuff, right? Just enjoy, play with it. Code will be on GitHub, the repo in the description. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Have fun with it. See you in the next one.